Welcome you to Navin Math Poster YouTube channel. So today the most important topic for 10th class students is easy way to remember trigonometric formulae. Some students from different places asked me to make a video on easy way to remember trigonometric formulae. So today I am in front of you to explain this. This is Navin Raidu. So before explaining these topics, I want to say about trigonometry. What is trigonometry? We should know about trigonometry. Trigonometry is a trio means three, gono means side, metry means measure. Three sides measure. And trigonometry is a study of relation between sides and angles of a triangle. And I have divided this in 6 topics, subtopics. And first one is the trigonometric ratios and inverse. And then inverse multiplication. Then we have third one, trigonometric ratios on complementary angles. Very important, complementary angle. Then the most important and which is unique in our Navin Math Poster YouTube channel is the need for speed, most wanted, fast and furious. So in this round, you can focus on competitive exam bits and you can do in fraction of seconds any type of bits. It will be useful for 10th, inter, plus 1, plus 2 and engineering students. So focus on this round. Then trigonometric identities. Then the final round is trigonometric ratios from 0 to 90 degrees. 0 to 90 degrees, identities, complementary angles. And our first topic is trigonometric ratios and inverse multiplication. So here first of all you should know about right angle triangle. Let us name it as A, B, C and right angle at B. And right angle is nothing but 90 degrees. And the side opposite to this 90 degrees is a hypotenuse, which is the longest side in this triangle, in right angle triangle. And if my target is angle A, its opposite side is a BC. If my target is angle C, opposite side is a AB. And now let us discuss about angle A. So for this, BC is the opposite side. And coming to this AB, it is touching this angle A. So it will be adjacent side, opposite side and hypotenuse. So you should remember these three before doing this trigonometric ratios. And now let's start trigonometric ratios. Here we have 6 ratios and first one is a sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. And what is our target? Which angle? Angle A. So sin A, cos A, tan A, cot A, secant A, cosecant A. And these three are very important. If you remember these three will be very easy. It's nothing but inverse for the 3. So first one sin A. Sin A formula is a opposite side of angle A by hypotenuse. So what is opposite side of angle A? BC. BC by hypotenuse is a AC. And here what is cos A? Same denominator, but only numerator will be changing. That's nothing but a adjacent side of angle A. Adjacent side of angle A by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side of angle A? It is touching this angle A. That is nothing but AB. AB by AC. So sin and cos, if you remember, it will be related to secant and cosecant. Now what is tan? Tan is a opposite side of angle A by adjacent side of angle A. What is opposite side of angle A? BC. Adjacent side of angle A? AB. Wanted I am writing in short form. So why? Because everything is related to angle A only. Now relation between these three and these three. Here you see this U shape. I am writing sin, cos, tan here. Sin, cos, tan. And continuation cot, secant, cosecant. See here, this sin is reciprocal of cosecant and cos is reciprocal of secant. Tan is reciprocal of cot. At the same time, cot is reciprocal of tan, secant is reciprocal of cos, cosecant is reciprocal of sin. So these are reciprocals. So now what is cot A? Cot or tan and cot are reciprocals. So reciprocal is nothing but a numerator and denominator just interchanging their values. So opposite by adjacent. It will be adjacent by opposite. Nothing but a just interchange them. AB by BC. So tan and cot are reciprocals. Now coming to secant. What is cos? Exact reciprocal of cos. Adjacent by hypotenuse for cos. And for secant, hypotenuse by adjacent. So same their values also interchange. AC to AB, AB by AC by AB. What is cosecant? It is reciprocal of sine. What is sine value? Opposite by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse by opposite and same. AC will goes up AC by BC. So these are the trigonometric ratios. And coming to their inverse multiplication, just focus on that. And if you write short form for them, it will be easy. O by H. I will write here. O by H. A by H. O by this time writing short forms. A by O. H by A. H by O. Now let us multiply their inverse multiplication. See here. Sine into cosecant is equal to 1. Most important formula for this inverse multiplication. Why? Because what is sine value? O by H. Into what is cosecant value? H by O. So here opposite side cancel. Ones are hypotenuse cancel. What is the value? Is equal to 1 is equal to 1. In the same way, cos and secant. In other way, we will do this one. Cos reciprocal as a cos into secant is equal to 1. That is one of the formula. And tan into cot is equal to 1. Let us prove this one. Cos and secant. Cos and secant reciprocal means cos. So in place of secant, I will write 1 by cos. Cos cancel. 1 is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 1. Like this also we can prove. So finally, what you should understand, what you understood is when substituting their values with the opposite and hypotenuse trigonometric sides values, we will get the multiplication of reciprocals is 1. At the same time, just their reciprocal into their main value also 1. Coming to tan and cot. Tan, I will write in place of tan 1 by cot. And the second term will be remaining same. Is equal to cot 1 up, 1 is equal to 1. If you want to apply this one, apply this one. Tan O by A means nothing but opposite by adjacent. Next, cot A by O, nothing but adjacent by opposite. Do cancellation. 1 are. So 1 is equal to 1. So here we have done with the trigonometric ratios and inverse multiplication. And our third topic is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So easy way to remember these complementary angles is first of all you should remember that ratios sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. So just remember this in order. And now what is topic? Trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. Just recall that complementary angle. What is complementary angle? It is sum of two angles should be 90 degrees. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degrees. As angle B will be right angle triangle in our trigonometric triangle. So what is sin theta in complementary angle? Sin theta and cos theta. Just remember this as two sets like this. Easy way to remember is this one. Sin and cos. In place of sin, what is sin theta means? Cos of 90 minus theta. This theta value is it will be here. And coming to cos it is sin of 90 minus theta. Suppose sin 40 is target. Cos of 90 minus dash is this one. So like that. Now coming to tan and cot. Cot of 90 minus theta. Cot is tan of 90 minus theta. Secant is the cosecant of 90 minus theta. Cosecant is the secant of 90 minus theta. Easy way to remember is this one. And I will say these examples on next part. And before doing this one, just so continuation will be in part 2, that need for most wanted and all topics will be in part 2. So if you like the class, hit on like button and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.